This one starts off like any routine courtroom case. But don't get it twisted. This situation is about to spiral fast. We've got missing child support, a no-show father, and a surprise guest who probably shouldn't even be here. Stay locked in. This gets messy.
Judge Vanderbilt Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Vanderbilt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Miss Vanderbilt?
Yes, ma'am.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my son, he's 6 years old, and Damian, I'm actually bringing him to court because he hasn't paid child support in the last 3 years.
Okay.
And our son is 6, like I was saying.
3 years. No child support. That's not just falling behind. That's a serious legal liability. Courts don't play about financial responsibility when a child is involved, and right now, the father is already digging himself into a deep hole. 3 years. No child support. That's not just falling behind. That's a serious legal liability. Courts don't play about financial responsibility when a child is involved, and right now, the father is already digging himself into a deep hole.
Okay. Is that it? Does the child live with you?
He lives with me, and so I haven't had any kind of help. And whenever I call him to come get his son, he says he's gonna come, but he doesn't show up. And so I'm here to get money for him to help take care of our son.
Okay, is this Damian?
No.
No, ma'am.
Hold on. Plot twist. The father didn't show up but sent his wife instead? That's already a red flag in court. Judges expect the actual person involved to appear. Sending a substitute? That's risky, and it's about to backfire. Intro, building bridges sounds impressive, but here's the irony. He's neglecting the most important bridge of all, the one to his own child. And in court, excuses like that don't hold much weight.
Who are you?
I'm his wife.
Okay, that's great, but why are you here?
Because he's out there building the bridge of Gibraltar. He's an engineer.
Right, but this is...
Now it's getting personal. Emotions are boiling over, accusations flying. This is exactly where cases can derail. But here's the question for you. Should personal drama ever influence legal decisions like child support? Or should the court stay strictly about the child? Intro. And there it is, default judgment. This is huge. Because he didn't show up, the court can rule against him without hearing his side. That means whatever the mother requested, the judge can grant it. Missing court isn't just a mistake, it's a costly one.
His child, right?
Yes.
So this has nothing to do with you. So I'm confused as to why you're present today.
Oh, just to handle the current situation.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll be cute. You're gonna help him just right. All right. So he's building what now?
The bridge of Gibraltar over in Italy.
Oh. How much is he making for building this bridge?
I think easily like 80,000 just for that.
80,000 just for that?
Yeah, it's very important.
Oh, very important, right. Okay, according to what you submitted on his behalf, he makes about $104,000.
That sounds about right.
That sounds about right? Mm-hmm.
Okay,
that's a nice ring you have on.
Oh, thank you.
Is that new? He just bought that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. Interesting. Okay. Anything, do you all have any kids or anything?
Yes, we have 2 kids.
2 kids, okay.
Cheated on me with her.
Excuse me?
Over $100 a month. That number didn't come out of nowhere. It's based on his income, which, ironically, his wife helped reveal. Imagine showing up to defend someone and accidentally making things worse.
I was saying he cheated on me with her.
Are you mad? Are you little mad or big mad?
I think I'm big mad.
Oh, okay.
You know, because
you know what? You're gonna have to get over it because this is not a therapy court, okay?
Right. Okay.
You're gonna have to get over it.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't need you taunting her, okay? That's not cute. Ma'am, all this attitude, you know, you guys really need to try to be friends and get along. Well, you don't necessarily have to be friends. You should try to get along, considering that this is your child with her husband, and that is your stepchild.
I guess so.
You guess. No, that's what it is. So you two need to start trying to get along, and you need to get over yourself and stop being so mad.
Okay.
So, based on what he makes that you provided to the court, he's going to be paying child support. Did you know that by you showing up today and telling me how much he makes that he would have to pay?
That doesn't make any sense. How like, why? Like, he's already paying for me and my kids.
Oh.
And she should have been a better wife.
Oh.
I mean, I was
Excuse
giving
me?
him what she
How do you
couldn't.
know what type of wife that she was? Were you in their house? Yes or no?
No, I would. Well,
Yes, she was,
but
but I wasn't there
What, you know,
in my
you know
bed
what?
and stuff.
The fact that you think
Nasty.
that is even funny is not attractive at all. So, Ma'am, he was served to be here today. He failed to show up. And unfortunately, he's going to have to be in default, which means that I can...
Oh, this is the turning point. The judge makes it clear showing up matters. Not just physically, but being accountable. Because when you don't show up, the court fills in the blanks, and usually not in your favor.
honor her request to make him pay child support. Please don't look confused. It kills me when you come on here and you show up for him. This has obviously nothing to do with you, but you want to show up in his place and then look confused when he's ordered to pay child support based on what you submitted to the court. So, based on that $104,000, I have his gross at $8,666.67, net of $6,525.63. Who pays health insurance for?
I do.
How much do you pay?
For both of us, $300.
No, ma'am.
For him, $150.
Yes, for him only $150.
Yes,
He's
ma'am.
also going to be responsible for reimbursing that too. Make sure you relay that message to him when he finished building this so important bridge, okay? Okay, I have child support with the reimbursement for health insurance at the $150. I have that set at $1,100.
This case is a perfect example of how not to handle court. No-show defendant, emotional distractions, and a third party stepping in where they shouldn't. So let me ask you, who really made the biggest mistake here? The father for not showing up, or the wife for stepping in?
$12.53.
Wait, Judge.
Wait,
Judge.
you're looking real confused. What is it?
No, okay, so anytime she asks for money, he sends it. And I've seen him do it. And anytime he calls to come see his child with her, he's willing to go. But anytime he calls, she never picks up. He's like, where is he? Never hear from her. Like, he really does try.
That's the problem.
And
I
Let me
should
ask
have
you
to
a
call
question.
him.
Excuse me. You will not do that. You will not address her. You will address me.
Yes, ma'am.
So anything that he has given her directly is considered a gift. He doesn't get credit for that.
He needs to.
Well, he needed to be here as well, didn't he? But he thought the bridge building was more important.
Well, yeah, he has to support me and my family as well.
Right, but his son is also his family as well. So you might want to learn how to blend a family, okay?
Oh, I know how to blend.
You know what? Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you all are dismissed.